working with other students and also other professionals has really kind of opened my scope and network of other people and other designers that kind of guide you and take you down the right path has been really beneficial.
I learned an unbelievable amount about reaching out to the target demographics, figuring out your user, understanding their needs, and actually a little bit more importantly, once you figure out those needs, better understanding their aspirations, their hopes, and their fears, which really helped solidify a good design and not just make it something we had a feeling would work well.
I would say my biggest contribution would be kind of probably that I'm a team player and I will jump on whatever section needs worked on. I'm not really focused on just model making, just sketching, just ideation. I'm willing to work anywhere where anybody needs me.
My biggest contribution was on the research side, help lead the understanding of who our user was, what they actually feared and what needed to be prevented, and the technical side of things.
So the students are interviewing our potential customers in that shared mobility space, and they are providing us with a glimpse of what they think that future will look like. CCAD has a special ability to conduct in-depth research as well as translate those research findings into a design concept. What CCAD brought that I wasn't expecting was a team of students with just absolute enormous tenacity and capacity to take on a challenge like the one we posed. So that was a surprise and delight.
Every project that a faculty is involved in, especially a sponsored project, you get to see a lot of growth of students. You start to see students that really sort of find themselves throughout the process, and I think that's one of the most enjoyable parts.
I was a mechanical engineer at OSU. I went from taking exams and tests, doing labs, and always knowing that at the end of the day there's one right answer that I'm striving for, to having to do basically non-stop work because there is no right answer. There's always a better route, there's always a better path, there's always a better design.